Hi there, Sheila's here. Lately, I've been cooking a lot at home because I'm on my school holiday and also the circuit breaker thingy. Today, I made some chicken lo mein. It's a traditional Chinese dish that uses egg noodles, and it also contains some veggie and some protein. Usually, they use beef, pork, chicken, shrimp, or even wontons. Or actually, you can put any kind of protein you want. It's a very easy recipe, cheap and fast, and I'm sure it's suitable for a college student like me that sometimes get broke and busy because of the school stuff. Okay, let me show you how to make it. First, you need to marinate the chicken. In here, I use chicken fillet, or you can use any part of the chicken you want. Cut it into bite size. Marinate it with a pinch of salt, some pepper, and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Mix it well and marinate for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Now we prepare the sauce. In here, I use approximately 100 to 150 milliliters of chicken stock, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil to get a little bit of aromatic notes, one tablespoon of light soy sauce, and also I use 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to thicken the consistency of the sauce. Give them a mix. Now let's prepare the vegetable. In here I use 1 chisin and 1 carrot. You can use any kind of veggie you want. For the chisin, cut off the bottom and rinse it. For the carrot, I cut the top and the bottom part and peel it. Cut the carrot into julienne. I use carrot to add more color and texture to my dish. Cut the green veggie same size with the carrot. Next, I use 1/4 of onion to add some sweetness into my dish and cut it into small dice. Three cloves of garlic, smash it and cut it into small pieces. Because I use frozen egg noodles, I'm gonna blanch it on boiling water for a few seconds to separate them. Don't leave them alone, otherwise it will just get soggy, and start agitating to separate them. After that, take out of the water and don't forget to give them a little bit of sesame oil or cooking oil to prevent the noodle from sticking together. Heat some oil and saute the chicken until cooked. Next, saute the onion until fragrant and soft. And now put the garlic and the veggies in and stir those through until the veggies are soft. Not long after that, put the chicken back in, stir a bit and put the noodles in. Add the sauce mixture and stir it. And if you feel it's a bit dry, you can add some chicken stock like I did, or just plain water will do. Stir it well until the noodle absorbs the sauce. I like to use some green onions on top of it, but it's totally up to you. And it's done! Thank you for watching, see you in next video!